Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my chamoy that goes perfect with all of your antojitos. So if you want to know how I make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. To a pot, we're going to begin by adding 3 cups of water, 1 cup of hibiscus, 6 ounces of dry apricots, 4 ounces of dry mango, 10 pitted prunes, 3/4 of a cup of Miguelito chile powder, half a cup of Tajín, sugar or your favorite sweetener. I'm using 3/4 of a cup, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. We're going to mix it, set it over medium-high heat, and bring it to a simmer. Okay, once it comes to a simmer, we're going to give it another mix. Here you're going to taste it for sweetness. If you want to add more sugar, this is the opportunity to do it. Or if you want your chamoy to be a little spicier, you can go ahead and add more chile. For me, this is perfect. So now we're just going to reduce the heat to medium-low, cover it, and allow it to simmer for another 20 minutes. Okay, so after 20 minutes, this is what our chamoy is starting to look like. So now we're just going to turn it off and allow it to cool down completely. And let me tell you that it smells delicious. Okay, and once our mixture has cooled down, we're going to transfer it to our blender cup. All right, so once we have our mixture into our blender cup, now we can get ready to blend. Now, if you want your chamoy to be more on the liquidy side, then go ahead and add more water. But we're just going to get ready to blend until everything is nice and smooth. Alrighty, and just like that, we have our chamoy. So here, if you see it, it's a little on the thicker side. So if you want it to be more smoother, go ahead and add more water. But this is going to be perfect for your rim dips. Alrighty, and just like that, we have our chamoy. So now we can get ready to enjoy. Okay guys, and once we have our chamoy, we can enjoy it with our favorite snacks, antojitos, such as like the gummy enchiladitas, the fruta, your favorite beer, to make pepinadas, micheladas, or mangonadas, or just like that with your favorite drink. So hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it just as much. This is honestly super delicious, and that goes a long way. The flavor, it's perfect. It's not too spicy, it's not too sweet. It's just honestly the best chamoy. It goes perfect with everything. This is my favorite. The best. Even to enjoy it like that. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it at home in my super easy and delicious chamoy. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.